Hi, this is Hank. Today we're going to address a common household issue. We have a dripping faucet. This is a Delta faucet dripping on the hot water side. First thing to do is turn the water off underneath the sink. Although you still see this dripping, it is shut off. The valve would not completely close off, but it's good enough for this job. So we take off the handle, first by removing the cap, then the Phillips head screw. Now to get the valve out, you loosen the big nut on the outside. Now the valve should just pop right out. I have to use a little knife here to kind of work it loose. Now the valve comes out. You'll see the sealing surface on the bottom of that valve, and there is a seal down in the hole there. Now if this were leaking on the outside of the knob, then we'd be worried about that O-ring we see right below the white part there on the valve. So we're going to dig that seal out. It doesn't matter if we tear it up at this point, so we're just sticking a pointy knife in there and digging that seal out. And you'll see once we get it out, it is, part of this damage is probably due to my knife, but it is damage. So we have this Delta faucet repair kit. We bought it at the local do-it-all home improvement store. And inside this kit, all these parts we don't need. And then there is the seal that we do need. So you can see there's the old seal and the new seal. Like I said, some of that damage on the old seal is probably due to me digging it out, but obviously it did leak. So now we put the new seal in the hole. I'm just kind of using my knife as a pilot to kind of guide the seal down toward the hole. Now I'm working it around with my finger to try to get the seal down into its nesting place. So once we get the seal down in there, I'll show you a shot of what it looks like. Takes a little working. Having that water not completely shut off is a little troublesome, but there you go. That's what it looks like down inside its seat. And now we're ready to put this back together. Like I said, that O-ring there on the outside, this kit strangely did not contain that O-ring, but it wasn't leaking, so we'll go ahead and put it together without replacing that. So we set the valve back in the hole, line up the notches, put the collar nut back around, snug it up, put the handle on. Now let's test it out. We're going to turn that water back on, down underneath the sink. Off, no drips. So that's how you do that. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to How That Works with Hank Ball. We'll see you next time.